What's up guys, Patrick here, Bonkers Media. Today in this cold ass weather, I'm going to be installing my Whoosh Motorsports short shift adapter. I will be running it on the 25% reduction because what else is there to do? 15, but anyway, well, let's get to it. Don't mind the dirty car. But the first thing I think we should do is measure. So let's go third. Measure and stick it right there straight. Dead center of my ball I'm getting right at looks like 5.5 inches. Looks like I get 9 3/4 inches. So that gives us a distance of 5.5 inches, basically 5.5 to 9 3/4. 4. Sorry guys, 4 and 4.25 inches. So let's see what the Whoosh adapter can do. Moving along under the hood, first thing we're going to want to do is disconnect our evap, whatnot. Disconnect however you got to get out. If you got aftermarket like I do or stock, disconnect here because we're going down there. So let's get to it. This intake system is my own creation and I even struggle with it. Alright, you can see it right there. All we have to do is pop this off, pull that little tab apart, Loctite it, pop this on, and measure. So right now what I'm doing off camera is moving my little knob over to the 25 percentile reduction number. I am applying orange thread lock because it's my new favorite stuff. It's stronger than blue, but it's not as intense as red where you need heat and special tools for removal. So here in a few minutes we'll be doing the install. So unfortunately the GoPro right there is going to be in my way. Trying to set it to where you guys can see. Try that. So, I might have to move that out of my way. Depends on how hard this thing pops off here, really. Alright, what's the trick, guys? Damn me. Longer screwdriver. So my big hands make this a little awkward, but then I gotta move the GoPro. Gotta sit that there like so. See me. Hold on. So when you find the sweet spot, it sits on there a little bit, and then all we got to do is position the top over it. The top is going to tell you where it needs to set. So obviously, I got to move my lower. But I'm going to try to do that with one of the bolts and some thread locker. That's what I didn't want to happen. Okay, I'm no expert. Oh, kind of soft thread. There we go. Had to reposition. So I have it sitting there. I'm just gonna let the bolt find its way. If it starts to stop, you stop it. Now that I have that one kind of holding it, I'm gonna get another one in. Of course, it stayed in the other one, but not in this one. Wish Billy would get here. Got little hands. Gonna be doing his rear motor mount on video and whatnot. Well, need to move. The amazing thing is the machine quality on this is so awesome that it helps you do the job. Shout out to Ron Miller and Whoosh. The last one is going to be a pain in the ass. Stay in the range. No. That's what I didn't want to do. Well, now that I got them all in, we'll just go around and make sure they're nice and snug. Remember, it's aluminum, so don't want to get it too tight. And also, don't tighten one down too soon. Puts that shifter way over there, that's for darn sure. And no, before you ask, I did not get the bushings yet. This was a Christmas present from my little brother, so I'll take it. I can get my wrench back into this one again. There we go. That's pretty dang good. Alright, now all I gotta do is put it on there, put everything back together, get a measurement. Alright guys, got her installed. Gonna be doing a measurement. Third gear. We got 6 inches. Dang, it slaps right in. And we have about 8 7/8 inches. So that's what, 2 7/8, 3 inches. So we've reduced the shift over an inch throw. I'm happy with it. Feels really solid. Can't wait to go drive it.